Okay, last video. So this is question number 10. And this little matrix of numbers, that's just like in the drug trials, except in this case, it's just, home and away games. But it's the exact same thing, as long as you got 4 numbers in a box like that. Okay, and so first we had to go into matrix. So that's totally different button. Usually it's the stats button, sometimes the distribution button. This was the only time we had to use the matrix button. You have to go over to edit. And you want to put all of your numbers into matrix A. You know you need it to be matrix A because you're going to get to that when you do the chi-square test. All right, so it has to be a 2 by 2, which is probably there from when you did the homework that way anyway. All right, so 7, enter, 6, enter, 10, enter, 11, enter. All right, second quit to get out of that. So I got my box in there. And now I need to go into chi-squared test. So stat, test, chi-squared test. All right, observed, A. Yes, that's what I just put in there. Expected, B. Doesn't matter. Calculator's going to take care of all that. Calculate. Chi-squared mine is 0.1245. Why don't I call it 0.125? All right, chi-squared from the chart. So anytime you're doing a drug trial or anything, you always end up with a little 2 by 2 matrix like this. Okay, and then down here at the bottom it says R minus 1, C minus 1 for contingency tables. So rows minus 1, that's 1. Columns minus 1, that's 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. Degrees of freedom 1, and I go across to 0.05. It said something about 0.05 in the question. All it's telling you to do is look under the 0.05 for 3.841. 3.841 was the exact same number we were using on every single homework problem, because basically every contingency table that you're likely to do is a 2 by 2, and so you're always going to end up in that exact spot looking for that exact number. All right, now 3.841 is bigger than 0.125. This is a measure of fluctuation. How much are these numbers really different from each other? Okay, 0.125 is you're basically not different from each other. There's not even a little bit different from each other. And this whole home and away thing, these are wishy-washy little numbers. This team, doesn't matter, home and away, they kind of do, okay. It doesn't have anything to do with their home and away. Those numbers all look basically the same as each other, which is why it's so small, 0.125. No fluctuation here. There is no home field advantage. Okay, that's the whole course. We're done.